Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Adrian from Boomin HQ. Today I am cooking again with my friend Solomon.
What's up guys?
Today what will we be making, Solomon?
Today we're going to be making some spicy lime rice noodles.
Yeah, and we'll be giving you guys the recipe, and here we go. Okay, today guys we are making a recipe that is feeding 2 to 3 people, and you need a 14-ounce piece of firm tofu, and the first thing you're going to do is let that dry. So while we're letting our tofu dry, we're going to start making our sauce. Solomon, what's in the sauce?
So for the sauce, it's just 4 ingredients. We're going to have brown sugar. We're going to have 2 tablespoons of that. Sriracha, 2 tablespoons of that as well. Soy sauce, 3 tablespoons. And then we're going to use the juice from 1 lime.
Now that we have the sauce done, we're going to be cutting up our peppers and garlic to cook the tofu and to bring out the flavor. So first, we're cutting up the garlic. What you're going to want to do is cut off the butt, right like that.
Right, and then the other side.
So after we cut off all the butts, we are going to mince it. For our peppers today, we are going to be using 2 serranos and 1 habanero.
And you can alter the peppers you use or use a different amount depending on the spice level you're looking for.
Yes.
Alright, so now we're going to cut up our serrano peppers. And so basically we're just going to start by cutting off the end.
Like that?
Right? There are lots of different ways to do it. I'm going to cut down the middle and make 2 halves long ways.
So now we're just going to do the same thing with the habanero.
And watch out with the habaneros and serranos, the habaneros especially. They're very hot, so make sure you don't touch your face afterwards or anything.
We have our peppers and garlic minced. We are going to chop up the green onion and this lime to top off the noodles. So now that our tofu is dry, we're going to be using this cornstarch, or we're going to cut it and use the cornstarch to coat it. I love the smell of tofu. I love food. ASMR while we should do that once. ASMR while cooking video.
You have to be one where you're chopping a lot of vegetables to get all the crunches.
That's a really good channel idea.
So now that our tofu is covered in cornstarch, we have a hot cast iron skillet ready to go. We're gonna put a little vegetable oil in it so that way our tofu can fry. So now that our hot cast iron skillet is ready, we're going to put our peppers that we minced earlier on top,
And garlic.
And garlic.
Now mix that around.
Alright, so we're going to mix that around so that burns.
So now, once you can smell that your garlic is fragrant, then it's time to add in the tofu.
Alright, perfect. So we're going to let that cook until it's a light golden brown. Then we're going to add our noodles into the boiling water so that they can start cooking.
Now that our tofu is at a nice fry, golden brown, just what we want, we're going to be adding in the noodles. Solomon, what type of noodles are these?
So we're using vermicelli noodles, but you can use a wide variety of rice noodles for this dish.
So make sure that the noodles are fully submerged, and after that, it won't take long at all, just a couple minutes to cook the noodles. So now that our noodles are finished, we're going to strain them.
It's getting spicy in here.
And then once we've strained our noodles, we're just gonna add them into the skillet with the tofu.
Okay. Whoa!
And then after that, we're gonna add our sauce that we made at the beginning.
Okay.
Oh.
I use it. I'm afraid of
Do
it.
you need help?
We're good. We got it. Now we're gonna mix everything around and let the sauce go into the tofu and the noodles. Now that our noodles and our tofu are done, we're going to bowl it and top it off with green onions and some lime. Okay, so now that our tofu is done, it's time to eat.
Low on.
Hot.
What do you blow on?
What do you think?
Whoa. Very good, spicy, just how we were expecting it. The tofu is perfect. It's crunchy and soft at the same time. I love it. And the lime adds a really good flavor to it. So today, guys, I think it was a success, as you can see. Give this recipe a try if you want, and yeah, see you later.